D.
Okay. Play electronics game. You mean to say play electronics game? No.
Yes, sir.
Climb a tree. Climb a tree. Tear clothes. Climb a tree. Tear clothes. That is option B. That's why no problem. If there is a correction or wrong answer, you hardly matter. It's a just matter of practice. Okay. When we go for more and more practice, everything will be cleared. Okay. In reading section, you have to read more carefully. Try to read and try to know the meaning of question. What is the question actually, and what answer can be. Okay. Next is based on your reading of the passage, choose the option. Yes, third one. Third one. Let's see. Third one. Try to answer.
Option A.
No problem. Hard matter for correct or incorrect. Don't worry about that. उसकी बिल्कुल नहीं
Option A.
चिंता करना. If you are option A. Who has answered this one? Yes.
Sir, me.
Tell your name, please. Eh?
Vidhi. Vidhi.
Vidhi. Yes. Yes, you are absolutely right. This is the correct. सर लेट देम अनम्यूट फॉर 5 मिनट्स. इनको 5 मिनट के लिए और अनम्यूट करने दो. लेट देम आंसर. प्रमोद सर, कैन यू हियर मी? प्रमोद सर. प्रमोद सर, unmute them for 5 minutes more. I have to correct their answers. I have to discuss whatever the reading section they have completed. इन्हें जो रीडिंग सेक्शन किया है उसके बारे में मुझे डिस्कस करना. लेट देम आंसर. लेट देम पार्टिसिपेट. प्लीज अनम्यूट एवरीवन. Okay, I think everyone is Pramod sir.
Sir, unmute.
Okay, okay. Let's see. I think third question. Okay, fourth question. What is the role of the frontal lobe as explained in the passage? Yes.
Sir, option D. Both A
Option.
and B.
Come on, come on. Tell your name. No problem. First, you tell your name. Okay. Who has answered? No problem. Yes.
Option D. Option D. Both A and
Both A and B. Strengthening child tolerant power helps in controlling the individual reaction. Actually, this is the B answer is correct. Answer B is correct. Answer B. Bravo. Next is question number 5. You try to read once again. In case you are having any confusion in any question, you can ask us. Okay. Next is question 5th. Fifth question. What is the answer? Fifth question. Yes.
Option D.
Anyone? D. Yes, that is the correct answer. Who has answered this one? Who has answered? Okay, good. Okay, next come for the sixth question. Sixth question. Again D.
Sir,
Who is
option
there?
D.
Option D is the correct, but who has answered? I want to know. Yes.
Vidhi.
You are from Vidhi, from
Sir,
which stream?
also.
Again.
Medical.
Vidhi.
And Ritu
Medical.
also.
Ritu also medical. It means only medicals. Yes, you are only answering, I think, both. Okay, let me see answer from the commerce now. Next question, please. Vidhi and Ritu, just wait. If they are not answering, then you will be allowed to. Okay. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7. What will be the answer? Okay, let me see commerce students. Commerce, come on, have competition. Medical, they are leading so fast. Come on, you also try to come. Commerce, last call. Come on, commerce, please reply. Okay, then let me ask. Okay, Vidhi, you answer. Vidhi, question number 7.
D.
Option C.
D.
Then and Ritu, what about you? Ritu,
Sir,
your
option
option?
A.
Option
A.
D.
Option A.
D option.
Ritu, you tell your option, no problem. Option?
Sir,
D.
option A,
Option?
when the children were taken away by inside play park.
No. Option A, I think Ritu told first, and it is the correct answer. Okay. This is when the children were taken away inside the indoor play. Okay. Now, seventh question. Okay, again, I'm giving chance to commerce students. Please come out. Otherwise, I'll take this participant list and I'll ask by name. Otherwise, you come out voluntarily. You come. Don't worry about the correct or incorrect answer. Forget it. It's the participation that is main. Okay, let's see. Anyone from arts wants to arts also student. They are very smart. Let me see this time. True and false. Let's see. Eighth question. Question number 8. Which of the following statement is not true as per the passage? Yes. Which is your correct options? Come on, arts students. Who have joined arts? Students from arts. Let me. Should I call by name? Arts student Janvi and all. If anyone has joined, come on, arts. Try to answer from arts students, please. Okay, now again it goes to Ritu has answered. Vidhi, you tell. Vidhi,
Yes.
which option is correct?
So question 7.
Question 8. Question 8.
B, sir. B.
B, 2
Second
and
and third.
3. No, it's C. It's C, 3 and 4. 3 and 4, you have to read once again, seriously, but you are still performing better. Okay, now question number 9. Question 9, Vidhi, not Vidhi, Ritu, now you tell. Question number 9.
Sir, option A.
Option
Option
A,
A.
I have a variable amount of something. I to have a fixed amount of something. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. You try to read the questions. Parents prefer. Okay, 10th. Let's see Vidhi now. 10th. Come on, Vidhi.
Sir,
Only 2
option
students.
C.
Option C. Then why don't you say confidently? It is right answer. Okay, it is right answer.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
next is okay. Last +1. Yes, try to do it. Next time I'll be asking by name. Okay, because if you are not performing, you have to read once again. Okay, it's a matter of practice only, and certainly your question will be means you will perform better. Next is 11th. Yes, let's see. Ritu, come. Ritu,
Sir, option
which
D.
option is option?
Sir, option D. D.
B,
Sir,
B
D.
Bravo,
D.
D Delta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
D, yes, fourth option is correct. Fourth D. D, fourth option. Yes, that is correct. Okay, let's this is for the week, and next topic will be next we will take next week, or in case you want another reading section continuously for 1 or 2 days, we can have, so that you can have practice. आप इसकी practice कर सकते हैं, but try to come with the read the passage properly and then answer. Try to read properly, give some time. Hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes. It is a 10 marks question. Okay, and it is a only matter of practice. If you practice more, you will perform better. आप इसमें अच्छा perform करेंगे. Okay, let's start with the next topic. Your chapter. Those who had joined late, once again, it will be this chapter. Next is the lost spring. Lost spring.
Sir,
How many students? Yes.
Excuse me,
Anything
sir.
you want to ask?
sir,
yes.
third level करवा दो एक बार again.
Third level. Third
Yes, sir.
level, I think, let me finish this chapter tomorrow. Third level, I think we will start with third level only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You are old student or new?
Sir, old Janvi.
Old student. Okay, tomorrow certainly it will be taken. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because I have planned already this one, because I want many students, they joined late actually. For the sake of them only, I'm just repeating this chapter so that they can also. Okay, but tomorrow certainly it will be third level. Okay. Okay, let's start, students. You can unmute them, mute them, sir. Everyone. Yes, I'll start this chapter. Okay, Lost Spring. Actually, it is in two parts. There are two parts in Lost Spring. What is the meaning of Lost Spring? Actually, it is stolen spring, because even according to our constitution, the children below the age of 14, they are not allowed to work anywhere. उनको काम, because that is the time for their basic education, elementary education, which is their fundamental right. जो उनका fundamental right है. But I think these rules and all, it is only in papers. सिर्फ paper में ही होते हैं. And this is the condition, especially in India. One is in the periphery of Delhi. Maybe they are from Bangladesh and all. Hardly matter. Once they are staying in India, it means they are considered as a citizen of this country. And according to it means the law doesn't apply there, because they have to survive anyhow, and they have to just work hard. Even the parents, they think that more children means more earning hand, because it is their thinking. Okay, now Lost Spring is the first part, is about the, in the periphery of Delhi there is one Sahib. Actually, that is the main character, and the writer or the author of this chapter, Anish Jung. And she meets him every day. उसको हर दिन मिलती थी, and he is barefooted, and even he does not know the meaning, real meaning of the name. अपने नाम का meaning भी नहीं पता है उसको सही, मतलब he is not, rather can say his condition is not according to his name. उसके नाम के हिसाब से उसकी condition नहीं है. And his name is Sahib, which means the Lord of Universe. But he is barefooted, and he has to search something in the garbage. Garbage में search करना होता है, and just to have a enjoyment, because he is not having any duty. उसकी कोई duty नहीं है कि that he has to perform, he has to fulfill the responsibility. उसकी responsibility के लिए उसकी कोई वो नहीं है. Anish Jung comes across Sahib every morning, and he can be scrounging for gold in the garbage. Means he's expecting sometimes silver coin, sometimes even gold coin, and some coins also in the garbage. Garbage में एक वो उम्मीद करता. He came from Dhaka. Dhaka से, actually he tells that he is coming from Dhaka in 1971. 1971 में ढाका से आए हैं. And at that time, actually because of some natural calamities and all, their fields were swept away. उनके जो खेत थे and the houses, they were swept away. उनको मतलब वो खराब हो गए थे, बहा कर ले गए थे, all these things. And they came to Delhi for the survival के लिए वो दिल्ली आ गए थे. And he roams about the street, and his friends, वो अपने friends के साथ, मतलब they are a group of friends, gang of guys, those who are doing all these things. They are scrounging, they are searching anything from this one, garbage and all. Garbage में से सब कुछ उसी पे. It is the area of Simapuri. Actually, Simapuri, it is the periphery of Delhi. Delhi means the national capital, which is supposed to be very highly civilized and with full of facilities and all. But I think they are on the periphery. There is a question, इसमें question दिया है that being on the periphery, they are very far away from Delhi. What is the meaning of the author? मतलब what does the author wants to convey through this statement? इस statement से क्या कहना चाहता है? That they are living near Delhi, but they are deprived of all the basic facilities. जो civic facilities होती है, basic facility होती है, they are deprived of. वो उनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है. They are living a life of very मतलब life of poverty and very hardship. एक बहुत ही मुश्किल की जिंदगी बिताते हैं. Okay, the most of these rag pickers, they are rag pickers, and they are from Simapuri. For the parents, actually, it is a means of survival. Parents के लिए जो rag picking है, it's a means of survival. उनको अपनी आजीविका, अपने आप को जीवित रखने का एक साधन है. But for the children, yes. Pramod sir, mute everyone, please. Pramod sir, mute everyone.
राम्य सर.
हाँ जी सर. यस सर, म्यूट एवरीवन. हाँ, एक बार इनको म्यूट कर दो अभी तो.
आप इस हाँ, आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लेना जी.
ओके, यस.
इसलिए इनके साथ क्लास डिस्टर्ब होती फिर आपकी.
नहीं ठीक है, इट्स ओके. मैंने जब बंद कर दिया था.
हाँ जी.
Okay, yes. Okay, I think I can, I'm audible. Yes. Yes, I'm. They came in 1971 because of some natural calamity. Because of some natural calamities, and they are settled in the periphery of New Delhi के periphery. Simapuri is the area that, and there are about more than 10,000 rag pickers who lived there for 30 years. For continuously 30 years, they are living there, and they came there from Bangladesh in 1971. They have no identity or permits. उनके पास कोई permit नहीं है. They don't have any identity, and they do not have ration card. They have ration card which enable them to vote and all. Voting के लिए actually that is all the politics game. We will not discuss. And buy some grain. For them, food is more important than the identity because they came from Bangladesh and all. Their identity certainly, and for them the survival is the more important than their identity. अपनी identity से पहले उनको survival की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. And survival in Simapuri means rag picking. Rag picking का ही है. Now Saib, actually he also, even the author once, author also told him, उसको एक बार बोला था that why don't you go to school, and the author, this one, Sahib, in a just funny way, he asked, if you start school I'll come. अगर आप स्कूल शुरू कर देंगे तो I'll come in that, मैं उसमें आ जाऊंगा. And she also thought that it was a very hollow advice, एक अच्छा advice नहीं था, because she will never start a school and he will never go. Okay, so that was the in the first part. Now he got a job on a tea stall. Now he started working after some time, and like the years rolled by, इस तरह से सालों चलते रहे. And one day he got a job in a tea stall. Tea stall में उसको एक दिन काम मिल गया था. And they left this one. They left. He was now not free. He was having a canister, and it was not even heavier than the what polythene bag, big bag he used to carry on his shoulder while he was while he was free and just doing the rag picking and also searching something from the rags and all. उस वेस्टेज से, गार्बेज से जब कुछ भी चुराता था उस टाइम जो बैग लेके जाता, दैट वाज वेरी हेवी, बट ही डजंट फील, वो उसको फील नहीं होता था. बट नाउ दैट कैनिस्टर, ही इट वाज वेरी लाइट, बट स्टिल ही फेल्ट वेरी हेवी बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट हिज ओन, क्योंकि वो उसका अपना नहीं था. एंड मोर ओवर ही वाज गेटिंग 800 रुपीज पर मंथ and 3 times meal. उसका सारा मील मिलता था, but still he has lost his freedom. It means for every creature on this world, freedom is most important. Freedom is most important. This is being, actually it is the first part. Now the second part is the Mukesh. Actually this is the story of Firozabad. Firozabad also the same condition. The people Firozabad, it is known for bangle making. Bangle making के लिए बहुत ही famous है. And the people, they are engaged for the generation. उनकी generation के साथ वो लगे हुए हैं. And there is one Mukesh, actually he wants, because the condition of these people is very poor, and economically they are in a worst condition. They are unable to even renovate their houses and all, and they are hardly able to survive there because of the administrative problem. Administrative means middleman, Saukar and police and all these people, because Saukar and all, and they are exploiting them on just giving some money and exploiting them throughout the whole life. And same is the condition with the police and all and administrator. They are also not looking after, means they are not providing them any sort of opportunity for their betterment, अपने betterment के लिए, because they are doing the really very important job of the society. समाज का एक बहुत important काम है, because bangle making, I think what a profession in India, किस तरह का profession हो सकता है, you can imagine, but still their condition is worst. उनकी condition बहुत worst and no one is looking after. Now after being this one Mukesh, now see the difference is here in both these chapters, both these parts, not chapter, both these parts. What is the difference? There Sahib, he lost his freedom, but he wants to gain his freedom. He's strict to it, means he's ready to work hard for the sake of his freedom, अपनी freedom पे, because he want to change the line of profession, because he has seen the condition of the parents, अपने parents की condition देख लिया, because they were in worst condition, they were unable to even renovate their houses, अपने house भी नहीं वो renovate कर सके, and that's why it is he wants to change. He want to become a motor mechanic. And even the author asked him whether he want to fly a aeroplane and all, कि आप aeroplane fly करना चाहते हो, and he laughs and said, no, I want to be a mechanical. I want to drive a car. मैं सिर्फ कार चलाना चाहता हूँ. and garage is not near to his house, rather you can say उसके house के नजदीक garage नहीं है, and then he is ready to go 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer by walking. By walking, he is मतलब ready to go there. वहां पर वो जाने के लिए तैयार है. And there are near about 20,000 children who work in the class. What is the now disadvantage? उनका क्या है? They work in illegally. Illegally why? Because according to the constitution, they are not allowed to work in the especially this sort of hazardous industries and all. In industry where the temperature is very high, there is no proper working environment is not there. They are not allowed to work there. And their bad smell, it is always coming. They are deprived of the sunlight and all. And even because of this habit, because of their working on the glass furnace, glass industries and all, they are more adjusted to the dark and to the than light. Light may unki eyes, I think they are having a problem, but in dark they are adjusted, adapted rather than say used to, habitual ho chuke. And they are choked with the garbage. All the whatever the street they are having a drainage system, but the drain is choked with the garbage. Their homes are housed with the crumbling wall, house type. It is not living for the animals and all. उनके लिए and crumbling, very weak wall. उनकी दीवारें बहुत ही मतलब weak हैं. They have no windows and they are crowded with the families of humans. Means there are more people staying in the. It means their environment is not correct. It is not and humans and animals, they live together. All humans and animals, they live in the same house. The elder of the family is a poor Bengal maker. And here he also highlights some tradition because old you can say daughter-in-law and all, they have to keep the veils over their head when there any elder of the family enters in the house. The koi bhi enter karta hai, they have to keep the veil and all, covering, parda type. This sort of things is also expressed. It means the social, through this chapter, actually, we can come to know what are the societal problem we are having, we are still facing. Okay, because like this covering and all, it is a matter of old time now. Everyone is free. We are in 21st century. This sort of things we must avoid. Because all the tradition and custom, whatever we are having, it was having something relation with our type of life. Because old time we were having that, but now the tradition is changing, time is changing, so we should also change the same thing. Okay, let me see the participants. 28. Okay. So and finding losing their eyesight. Mukesh's grandmother has watched her own husband go blind with the dust from the polishing polishing glass. जो polish होती है glass की, whatever they are using on the bangles. What is the importance of bangles in our tradition, in our culture? You know, आप जानते हैं उसको. But they cannot give up God-given lineage. Means according to them, they think that it is God-given lineage. भगवान ने हमें यही काम दिया है. But certainly we have to think about it. हमने थोड़ा दूसरी तरफ से भी सोचना चाहिए. And they are born in the caste of Bengal makers. Means according to the caste and all. Actually, it is a classification, you can say. According to that, they are born in the class of Bengal maker. Bengal makers क्यों हैं? And in every other house in the state of Firozabad में हर state में हर second house is engaged in this Bengal making profession. जो Bengal making का profession है, they are engaged in that thing. उसमें engaged है. And one can see the bangles of each and all colors. All colors of bangles are there, and they are piled up in hand carts pushed by a young man. Hand carts जो गाड़ी चलाने की होती है, where we put all these things. So they are piled up, ढेर लगा हुआ है, and they are in the dark hut men sit and girls and their father mother welding the piece of colored circle of the bangles and all. Bangles के जो all the people actually, the children and all, girls, boys, everyone is engaged in bangle making. They are doing their all job. And the Bengal symbolize the Indian suhag, इसको symbolize करता है. Mind numbing pride, actually mind numbing, it creates a problem in the mind, means psychological problem, and eyesight becoming weak and all, and even straightway they are not becoming, rather you can say young and all, directly they are entering into the old age because of the this environment, working environment. And the little has moved with the time in Firozabad. He's telling nothing has changed. Time might have changed. We have come in the 21st century, but still the condition of these people are not changed. and they cannot organize themselves because they are fearing of it. Means still they are not free, rather you can say. They are controlled, they are limited by the middleman, administrative, police, and everywhere. Okay, so this is the title lost child. Lost child means that is the child. Lost spring means the stolen childhood. Stolen childhood, where they are supposed to get their basic education, elementary education for the full growth. Because every creature on this earth having a potential, and if the potential is tapped, that is the main purpose of education. एजुकेशन का वही पर्पज होता है, whatever potential you are having, that we have to tap it. उसको हमने निखारना होता है, उभारना होता है, टच करना होता है, that you can do that. आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं. And everyone has got the individual potential. हर किसी का potential अलग होता है. If, for example, if Tendulkar he would have played football, you can imagine what would be the condition. क्या होता होगा. Okay, so there are so many things. Okay, so let's and please try to send your homework. Once again, I'm repeating this one. Otherwise, I'll start calling you by not only by name. I'll try to contact online also. Okay, with the help of this. I'll try to contact your parents why you are not performing. Okay, send your homework, please, everyone. Try to send your homework by PDF so that I can mark, because next month there may be exam. Okay. Please, everyone, yes, send your homework. Students, okay, you can wind up the meeting, sir. Yes, students, and in case you are having any problem, you can also tell in advance so that we can discuss that topic. हम वही topic कर सकते हैं, so that whatever we have covered, you understood. In case any problem in the topic covered up to this time, we can repeat them. उसको repeat कर सकते हैं and we can clear our doubts. जो भी हमारे doubts हैं, certainly. Okay. Yes. Come on, wind up the meeting, sir. Just to comment, syrup, Ritu Medical, yes. Come on, come on. Try to send today. I expect a lot of homework today at least. Alka, good. You already sent.